How to change the currency in Exness. I'm going to show you how you can easily change the currency in Exness. Changing your base currency on the Exness platform is a straightforward process. Firstly, access your Exness account by entering your login credentials on the Exness website. After logging in, locate the Settings or Account section of the platform, and within these settings, you should find an option to manage your base currency. Exness typically offers a wide range of base currency options, including major currencies such as USD and Euro, GBP, and others. Review the available options and select the currency that best suits your trading needs. Once you have selected your desired base currency, review the changes and confirm the update. Ensure that you understand any potential implications, such as changes in trading conditions or fees before finalizing the currency change. After confirming the currency change, check your account balance and trading code to ensure that the new base currency has been successfully applied.